guys, it's been a hectic week. My phone went kaput, so we are on Khalila's phone. And it is Carnival Tuesday. We made it! Oh. My voice is also gone, but let's stay focused. So I want to show you guys some behind the scenes of what it is to do Carnival Tuesday. We already got our makeup done at ungodly hours. Mine was at 10 p.m. last night, so I had to sleep pretty like this. Anyway, let me show you.
Oh, no, Larry. Too much. One small space.
So this is the layout of our bill. And what's nice is the costumes are super sturdy, wonderfully made. The craftsmanship is just unmatched, you know?
Phenomenal.
You know?
Superb.
Thank you. This is the band we're playing with, Spirit Max. Here's mine. Fortress. Ooh. We're just waiting on Khalila to lay her stuff out. I'm just trying to pass time. But no, see, they come in nice packaging, and they tell you what is what. So you got your wrist.
Line it up accordingly.
Yeah, she's just laying it out as it should go on. Just to make it easier. Yeah.
That's it. And that's all.
Keep it organized. Keep it cute. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Let's get into her makeup. Oh, her section is botanica, lots of flowers. So she did her big one with these flowers on your face.
She did. Are they
got a
gonna
butterfly? Girl, you got a butterfly on your face.
Do I
And a
really?
feather?
No.
A green snowflake.
Okay. Enough.
It's cute.
Enough.
I should have worn mine so we could have been twins.
What earrings you gonna wear?
Just my little studs.
Oh, you didn't wear them.
I just bought the
Necklace.
and the bracelet.
So because I use mine, I use it to like, it's okay. Where we're at so far. Wings are in the car! Yes, please. We're getting sprayed down. Ah! Thank you.
Right now we come to start the party. See Martin and Farmer napping. We come to make all the girls them happy. Yeah. Watch day, I see the clowns them start to set. And we don't even reach the venue yet. This might be a night we won't forget. Cause as soon as we step in the bed, this girl like rain, flowing like water. With your bumper, this girl like rain, and we don't want no umbrella. With your water.
Is it me or the weather that have you feeling so? From the time I see I want to put the work on you.
That paper waist is pressure.
quick just to say thank you so much for watching part 1 and now part 2 of the Carnival vlog. I would be remiss if I did not thank my girlfriends for getting us this far, because we would not have any of this footage if it was not for them. Even in our most drunken state, they were like, Natty, make sure you get your footage. It doesn't need to be horizontal. Like, use my phone, take my phone. Like, I appreciate y'all, love y'all down for, you know, supporting my goals and supporting my my ventures. I really, really, really appreciate it, because we would not have any of this footage, guys, any of it. So just wanted to come in and let you know that it's a little less personable because I didn't have my phone, and we kind of did a mashup of all the times, but a time was had, if you cannot tell. Voice is still not even 100% back. That's how good of a time we had. So without further ado, get back to the video and watch us cut up Trinidad style. Also, let me know in the comments, are you gonna go to Carnival? Are you gonna try Trinidad Carnival? Let me know what you're thinking, what band you're gonna play with. If you have questions, I'm happy to answer. And back to the
Good morning. I hope you're ready for the jamming. Today you're living, today
Get your natty popping in real quick just to set the scene and get some clarity about what's about to go on. The footage you're about to see is the day after Carnival, when we were headed to Maracas Beach to Lime, have a good time, rest our feet, soak our feet in the salt water, and just chill out before it was time to go. Have some, last minute soak up time with each other before it was time to head out, because I had actually had the first flight that evening. Because everyone has the same idea to let's go to the beach and enjoy ourselves at Maracas, have some bacon shark and do all the things, there was a lot of traffic. And our driver, Derek, was like, oh, I know a shortcut. So it's us, my luggage, Derek, and Derek's 2 sons and daughter-in-law in the maxi. And the shortcut was a mountain trail. You needed a G-Wagon to get up that thing, okay? Or like a Jeep Wrangler. Anyway, we were not in that, and so we struggled. So the footage you're going to see next is that. It was quite the experience. And then what you're going to see immediately after is me telling my mom what happened and her reaction to her 2 daughters, her 2 only daughters, almost perishing, and her reaction to that. Anyway, good times were had. I have now been to Carnival, I don't know how many times, but the first time I went was in 2013. That's 12 years ago. And it has been so many times later. I've gotten married, had 2 kids, and still feel more confident and more comfortable on that road than ever before. I was joking with Martinique about how we've just got more and more naked and more free and more confident in ourselves and our body, and that's really what this channel is about. So before I get into a long tangent, just thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please comment, subscribe, like, and do all the things. Share it with a friend, share it with her friend, share it to your auntie, send it to your grandma, send it to your cousin, send it to your neighbor, and tell them to just watch it over and over and over and over and over and over and over. I appreciate y'all, and without further ado, let's get to the footage.
Yeah, this is a two-way street.
That's impossible.
This is a two-way road.
It's not possible.
This is a two-way road.
We're on the back side of the mountain avoiding the traffic.
Avoiding the traffic and the license taking over.
Yeah, we're on the side where the people live.
Take the maxi up. Yeah. And then we walk up.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, because it may be that it's the maxi. No, I'd rather just walk up and then
You know, go ahead. There's no problem. It's fun. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I go ahead.
I'm
So we ended up getting out and walking. Yeah. You okay? No. Shit. Natty's running.
And they're calling for the rum, boy. They're calling for the rum.
Because the Maxi's having trouble getting up the mountain.
Now we need a shot.
Oh my God. Let's go, lady.
I'm not too high. Where the rum?
I can never look so good.
Thanks, girl. Why is that funny? Oh my God. Ooh, Lord.